like let air out the car so he can ride. And that was kind of like a part of the tour. I had to concentrate on not getting seasick because we haven't even, I mean, motion sickness or whatever, because we haven't even really ate much today. But yeah, so this is just a picture point, and if you see like the sun is about to set, I don't know if y'all can see them. Once we got to the camp, we rode four-wheelers, we rode the camels, and we took a whole lot of pictures. As a part of the safari package, they put on 2 shows for us and they had a buffet for us. That's Lulu. We met her during the safari, and she's a lawyer from the Maldives. Huh? Did you pay for the seashell? What? Did you pay for the scooter? Oh, okay, I just paid for it.
I want to join your group like for 1 hour to gossip with you because you made me long time.
No matter where you go worldwide, there's always somebody trying to talk to you. This dude was trying to talk to KR just so bad.
We were just out with the hookah. I mean, the shots. What it called? Yeah, that one.
You can say just like you're about 1 hour, then I go to my home. It's like gossip and talking about.
What about like 10 minutes?
Okay, 10 minutes, no problem.
And right here, while we, yeah. What time is it?
I will ask them. Or maybe they'll listen.
No, they're not gonna listen to me.
All day. Hey y'all, I am super tired. We just got back from the safari and we're about to check in the hotel. Basically about to put our bags down, go to Dubai Mall and go see the water show. We're really trying to take in every moment and use every minute because we only have like a day and a half left. that was nice, you know. Anyway, I was just talking to my friend, like, I really feel like at this point in my life, I'm trying to live my best life with no regrets. I don't ever want to be like, I should have traveled more when I was younger, I should have did this, I should have did that. I'm over here in a whole nother country, learning a whole nother culture, and I'm really enjoying myself. It ain't always about clubbing, cause Lord knows I love to turn up. It's about, you know, doing things you never did before. Anyway, check out the hat. Pretty girls love to travel. This is our theme for life, really. Cause we traveling, we gonna see the world. And then, ladies and gentlemen, we came across this. This is just some footage of the city of Dubai. They have just about every car dealership you can think of. Tesla, Lamborghini, Bentley. This is definitely for the life of the luxury. Welcome to Dubai Beach. Although I don't plan on getting in the water because it's a little too cool for my liking, I just wanted to come and share the beach with you guys. Back in the back, if I zoom in, you can see it's a Ferris wheel there, and they actually have like beaches and shores and things like that because it's pretty hot here year round. Okay, so this is how they wash cars. No water needed. They pull up with like a bucket while you're shopping, and they wash your cars like out of a bucket because there's so much sand and so much dirt and sand and desert here. They just pull up with like a bucket and wash your car. After we left the beach, we went back to the Gold Soup to get some souvenirs and do some more shopping. Okay. So I told you it was Leo? Virgo? Okay.
You know firsthand how you would experience it.
Yeah, I didn't know what to do. And you know, I was just getting here. I didn't like I hadn't even met Kate physically until before then. So I was just like, I ain't gonna have nobody, you know, settle with my work. This drink is really good. It's not alcoholic, it's really good.
Okay, so this is basically our grand finale because our flight leave in a few hours, and we are dining in the dark for my friend's birthday. And this is just like the lounge area where you get your drinks and stuff before it's your turn to actually go dine. And like I said, it is a beautiful view of the city of Dubai, you know. And like I said, it is dining in the dark. So if I'm able to record in there, I definitely will. If not, I'll just tell you how my experience went once we leave the restaurant. So the dinner in the dark was pitch black, and we couldn't bring our phone or any outside distractions. So it basically forced us to communicate with each other. So for an hour and a half, we just basically talked and guess what food we were eating.
This?
Definitely.
Yeah, that's exactly what. See, this